Hi everyone, I did make a video about using the drummer track, using more acoustic drum rock style and that sort of thing, and the percussion player. This video I'm going to make is about using the drummer track for more electronic stuff, dance music, hip hop, stuff like that. So to start off with, I'm going to create a drummer track. If you were starting a session from scratch, it will come up with this window here where you choose what sort of track you have. Just choose drummer, choose the genre, electronic or hip hop. I like electronic for this particular video. I'm going to open the library as well and choose straight out. Of course, Logic has named our cool EDM guys. Magnus, Leah, Jasper, Ronnie and Julian. There's only one girl in there, I'm not sure. There should probably be more girls, yeah. Okay, so just let's have a listen to what Magnus is giving us out of the box. I can see that he is using a Drum Machine Designer, one of the new Drum Machine features. Before, Logic used to just use Ultra Beat. You can grab the old Drum Machine, Ultra Beat drum machines down here, some of their kits. Let's just see what they're going to give us on default. Magnus, press play. I have my tempo set at 128 for this style. 125. Notice how the tempo is slightly changing for the different. So this is tech house or dubstep. Electro tap. Modern house. So let's start with Magnus's Big Room EDM. It's at 128 beats a minute. I can change the kit down here, so let's just go down to the kit here. Remember your old drum machine ones over here have also cool kits in them as well, so you can just get your old 808 stuff. There's a whole bunch, so you know, let's just go with the new drum machine. So you can see how different each one, basically loading up a whole bunch of new samples. So if you like a specific kit, you can just click on the drum machine itself. You've got your volume controls in here, more snare, less snare. You can actually, you know, mute them as well. And you can move these guys around as well if you're using this pad up here. I mean, I have a touch screen as well, and I can input mine here through the touch screen, so I would just put them wherever I want, or I could just get my little pad controller. But I mean, however you want to do it, it's fairly customizable. There is 3 different windows of samples, so there's a lot in each kit. You can change, you know, if I'm the kick's pitch, envelope, distortion, sub, body. This is just on the kick drum alone. Each one has different controls. Also, you'll find that you have sends as well, so all of your settings for reverb and delays and everything are also customizable. So you've chosen your kit, you've chosen your beat. We'll just get rid of the library button for now and have a look at what's on the screen. So we've got our representation up here about what we're looking at. This isn't MIDI or audio, it's sort of both. Logic has thrown in, it's basically playing a kit, an electronic kit. They've set up a full channel strip here with plugins, multi-presser, compressors, bit crushers, delays, a little reverb, platinum reverb, and an EQ, just adding a little bit of extra doof and sizzle. So they've set it up as a default. Now if I want to add 4 bars, just put in 4 bars at the beginning of my song, I can just choose 4 bars of that. I'll take out my little drum fill. Remember, drum fills, this little part down here will appear at the end of your object. So if your object is only 4 bars long, a drum fill will appear. I will have one appear. Let's take out the kick drum. You can see how easy that is. Just take it out. Let's copy and paste. Except this one I'm going to select and put the kick back in. And I'm going to take out the fill, make it go for 8 bars. And remember, you can still add a percussionist track or a normal drummer track that's playing a kit up against this. You can have as many drummers playing at once. Once your objects are, you have your 8-part verse or 16-bar verse. I might want to put another one here and put a drum fill at the end, and then straight into the chorus. So the chorus, remember, I can color these objects. So we'll make the chorus with a bit of shaker and percussion. We'll push it right up loud, full. So this little joystick here, of course, just like the drummer track, as we saw in the last one, is customizable for your, loud, soft, simple, and complex. Choose your vibe. There really is thousands and thousands, or probably millions of different combinations just using that joystick alone. And you have your beat presets over here. So many different combinations. It's very easy to make dance music and hip hop beats. This is such a killer machine for hip hop beats. You can see what I'm doing here in dance. If I was just to rewind and go to do a hip hop one, because I know there's very popular hip hop stuff. If I was to go open up my thing over here and decide to go to hip hop, modern hip hop from Anton, let's just see what he's giving us here. We're at 85 beats a minute, all automatically. I'm just going to cycle that over so we can have a listen. I'm going to go back to my old drum machine style, the Ultra Beat. It's really, really simple to use. Let's just pull back to simple. Put a bit of percussion in there. Busy man, the phone's ringing. I think that is just the easiest way for you to be able to make a beat. And you can just choose to loop that sucker for as long as you like and just bounce it out, or start adding some bass tracks to it, add a synthesizer and go for it. This program is so easy to make stuff like this. Remember, you can copy and paste, take out instruments, take out the snare, and just run it as a clap until it comes over to here. It's drum filling into this one here's got the snare in. It's really simple to make those little transitions. That is just so easy. I mean, anyone can do that. And this program is so cheap. It has so much to give you, and it's, this is just one little part of it. I hope that this track and my previous one using drummer in, more rock genre and the kits and percussionists, I hope that helps you and to make this easier to use. If there is any questions that you have about using any part of Logic, drop me a line. I'd love to help you out. If you like my stuff, subscribe if you dig it. See you later.